Hi, I'm Sel, and here's my DF for Module 2 types of communication materials. For the objectives at the end of this module, we'll be able to describe and differentiate from each other the various communication materials, news stories, reports, abstracts, and leaflets, and be able to determine the specific context, circumstances when to use them. Here's a detailed description and differentiation of the communication materials, along with their specific context and circumstances for use. News stories are accounts of events, ideas, or people that are interesting to a large audience and can be easily understood. They are characterized by their timeliness, relevance, and ability to grab attention. News stories are typically written in an inverted pyramid structure, where the most important information is presented first, followed by supporting details. They can be categorized into two types: straight news stories, which is considered direct, formal, timely, and concise, and the other one is feature stories, where it is creative, less formal, in depth, and often focused on human interest. News stories are used to inform the public about current events, updates, or developments. They are suitable for newspapers, newsletters, and online news platforms. For example, a straight news story might report on a natural disaster, while a feature story might explore the personal experiences of those affected by the disaster. Secondly, reports. Reports are technically documents designed to present ideas and facts to decision makers. They are work related and often contain detailed technical information. Reports typically include preparatory elements, example, title page, table of contents, main elements such as introduction, body, and conclusion, and supplementary elements such as appendices, documentation. A common type of report is the progress report, which tracks the status and challenges of a project. Reports are used in professional and organizational settings to provide information that aids in decision making. For instance, a progress report is used to update stakeholders on a status of a project, highlight challenges, and recommend actions. Full reports are used for comprehensive analysis and documentation of findings, such as scientific research or policy proposals. An abstract is a concise summary of the contents of a document, typically a research paper or technical report. It highlights the main points, including the rationale, methodology, findings, and conclusions. Abstracts are usually written last but placed at the beginning of the document. They are used in academic and professional settings to provide a quick overview of a document's content. They are particularly useful for research papers, journal articles, and technical reports, allowing readers to determine the relevance of the document without reading it in full. For example, an abstract summarizing a study on agricultural practices would be used in a academic journals or conferences. Lastly, for leaflets, leaflets are single sheets of paper often folded in various ways. Example, accordion fold, gate fold, containing highly illustrated information on one topic. They are designed to be visually appealing and concise, with text broken into short points and complemented by visuals. Leaflets are used to urge, inform, advise, instruct, or explain. Leaflets are ideal for disseminating information to a general audience in a quick and accessible manner. They are commonly used for promotional, informational, or instructional purposes. For example, a health organization might use a leaflet to educate the public about vaccination benefits, or a company might use it to promote a new product. Key differentiation. In terms of purpose, news stories normally inform and engage the public with current events, while reports provide detailed information for decision making. Abstracts summarize the key points of a larger document, and leaflets quickly convey information in a visually appealing format. In terms of structure, news stories inverted pyramid structure for straight news, creative structure for features, reports formal structure with prefatory main and supplementary elements, abstracts brief summary, often technical, leaflets highly visual, concise, and broken into panels or sections. In terms of audience, news stories, general public. Reports, audience are decision makers, professionals, or normally stakeholders. Abstracts are academics, researchers, or specialized audiences. Leaflets, audience are general audiences, often less technical. In terms of use cases, news stories, breaking news, update, human interest stories. On reports, project updates, research findings, policy recommendation. On abstracts, academic papers, technical reports, research summaries. While on leaflets, these are normally used for public awareness campaigns, product promotion, or instructional guides. So, to summarize, by understanding the unique characteristic and context of these communication materials, we can effectively select the most appropriate medium for our specific needs and or the needs of our audiences. Thank you.